Have you ever been frustrated by those wobbles on your footage? Any amount of tracking and warp stabilizing won't fix them, but you can remove them using gyro data your camera already records. I'll leave a list down below on the cameras that do record gyro data. First of all, I'll quickly stabilize this shot using the standard methods so we can compare them side by side down the line. I still use this for some of my clips since it's a bit more straightforward and still works fine for most uses. Now let's get to the gyro method. First, you need to download either Catalyst Browse or Gyro Flow. Both work well and are free to use. For this example, I'll use Catalyst Browse. Open the app and search for the clip you want to stabilize. Click on Adjust Clip. You can trim out the parts you don't want to stabilize using these markers. Make sure stabilization is enabled. You can also enable the rolling shutter reduction if needed. Once that's done, click Analyze. As you can see, it stabilized it pretty good. And it actually used the data from the video, so there's no weird wobbles. After that, click Export and keep the settings as they are. Wait for it to render and then open it up in DaVinci. Open it in Fusion and add a tracker. Position the tracker on a high contrast point and change the adaptive mode to best match. Track the video. Click on Operation, Match Move and Background Only. Press Shift plus Space and find Transform to crop the transparent edges. Now I'll show you a side-by-side comparison. It might not look like a lot on a small screen, but it's very noticeable on a PC monitor. If you want to learn more about video editing, check out these videos.